Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel, Fiang Smith. Big winner, Pinoy Big Brother winner, talagang humahanga din at isang 18 din sa SB19. Silent fan kumbaga itong si Fiang Smith. Ito nga may pasampol, sumali at nakibanding at masaya siya kasama ang kanyang boyfriend at of course SB19 habang sumasayaw ng Damn. At kahit maliit lamang ang kanyang nagawang step ay syempre masaya siya at dream come true na ito dahil marami ding umiidolo kahit mga celebrities sa SB19 lalo na si Fiang Smith simula pa noon. Kaya naman ito nga ang ating short clip kasama si Fiang Smith sa kakatapos lamang na Ben's Fashion Show. Sumayaw sila ng short video, short step na of course, ang Damn performance ng SB19. Sobrang cute at pretty itong si Fiang habang sumasayaw ng kunting step ng Damn performance.
You could try to play but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train.